Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Julia.
And I'm Robert. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we have a simple and fun topic. We are going to talk about your weekend.
Yes, talk about your weekend. This is a very common conversation in English.
People ask this question all the time. How was your weekend?
You hear it at work, you hear it at school, you hear it from friends.
So today, we will help you answer this question in easy English.
We will listen, we will discuss, and then we will listen again.
That's right. Listen, discuss, listen again.
And before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us, and it helps more learners find these lessons.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's talk about your weekend. Robert, how was your weekend?
Oh, that's a good question. My weekend was relaxing.
Nice. My weekend was relaxing. That's a simple and perfect sentence. Let's repeat together. My weekend was relaxing. Good job.
You can also say, my weekend was busy, my weekend was fun, my weekend was quiet.
Let's practice. I will say the adjective, you say the full sentence. Fun. Busy. Relaxing. Great job! You're improving already.
Now let's talk about Saturday. Julia, what did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I woke up at 9 a.m. I had a quick breakfast. My quick breakfast was a banana and coffee.
That sounds nice and simple. Let's break it down. I woke up at 9 a.m. Repeat. I had a quick breakfast. Repeat.
Now listen to the full mini story. On Saturday, I woke up at 9 a.m. I had a quick breakfast. Then I went for a walk.
Now listen again. On Saturday, I woke up at 9 a.m. I had a quick breakfast. Then I went for a walk.
Did you hear the past tense? Woke, had, went. These are past verbs.
Very good. Now Robert's turn. On Saturday, I stayed home. I cleaned my apartment. Then I watched a movie.
Simple, clear, perfect A1, A2 English. Let's repeat. I stayed home. I cleaned my apartment. I watched a movie. Excellent.
Now Sunday. Julia, what did you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed home. I read a book. In the evening, I called my family.
That's very natural English.
Now let's learn some very useful phrases. Phrase 1, I stayed home. Phrase 2, I went out. Phrase 3, I spent time with. For example, I spent time with my family.
Repeat. I spent time with my friends. I went out on Saturday night. I stayed home and relaxed. Excellent work.
Now listen to a short conversation. Ready?
Ready. Conversation. Hey, Julia, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the park.
Oh, nice. Who did you go with?
I went with my sister. We had coffee.
That sounds fun.
Okay, what did I do? Yes, I went to the park. Who did I go with? My sister. Great listening.
Now listen again. Hey, Julia, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went to the park.
Oh, nice. Who did you go with?
I went with my sister. We had coffee.
That sounds fun.
Now you can talk about feelings. I felt happy. I felt tired. I felt relaxed.
For example, I felt tired on Sunday night. Repeat. Very good.
If you want a longer answer, add details. Instead of, I watched TV, say, I watched TV because I was tired.
Or, I cooked dinner for my family. Detail, I cooked pasta for my family.
Small details make your English stronger.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions out loud. What time did you wake up on Saturday? What did you eat? Did you stay home or go out? Very good. Speaking out loud helps you improve faster.
Small correction time. Don't say, I go to the park yesterday. Say, I went to the park yesterday. Past tense.
Went, not go. Had, not have. Good job noticing that.
Today we learned how to talk about your weekend in easy English.
We practiced, how was your weekend? I stayed home. I went out. I met a friend. I spent time with my family. I felt relaxed.
You listened, you repeated, you practiced. That's amazing.
You are improving step by step.
Now we have a question for you. Tell us in the comments, what did you do last weekend? Or what's the first thing you do on Saturday morning?
We really want to read your answers.
And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you grow.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep going.
We're proud of you.
See you in the next episode.